Okay, so it has finally come, the day we can pop up our Christmas tree. I know everyone has been a little bit over the top with COVID and putting up their Christmas trees, but we have tried to wait until the 1st of December, as well as we haven't known where we're actually going to be living. So that kind of has had a little bit of impact on if we put our Christmas tree up or not. So now they have lost Alex's passport and we are not leaving at the moment, well, anytime soon until they find the passport. And it looks like Christmas will be here in Oz. So the kids are super excited and we are going to surprise them with all the Christmas decorations and everything ready to go. Let's do it. Hey guys, who wants to put up the Christmas tree today? All right, well, around the corner, I have 3 baskets. Go and get your baskets and bring them back.
Which is mine?
And Dad's gonna go and get the Christmas tree.
This is mine. That's my photo in it. Got my basket here. My basket. Whee!
You ready to stand in front of the Christmas tree? Oh, everyone get their special
forgot one
birds.
thing.
We forgot one thing.
Where's mine?
So everyone,
Where's mine? Grab a ring. Okay.
Daddy.
Can I have that one?
Okay, grab the orbit.
How do you know?
So, why do we have birds for, Jax?
Because we are a bird and we fly.
So what do the birds mean to our family? What are these little things? What do they represent?
Our food names.
Us.
Our last name. Put them over here. That would work. Yeah, that would work this year.
Tie them up to here.
do have a fire. I actually have. What's the name for it? Small lights or something. How?
Mine.
Are you excited we got the Christmas tree up, buddy?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Hmm?
Princess? Are you excited the Christmas tree's up?
Yes!
So you can see your mouth.
Hello, everyone. Hello. And have a good Christmas. We put our
good one,
Christmas tree up. Did you see?
Alright.
There you go.
Wait. Is that the widest it goes? Yeah. I think you've got to hold it because your arm is longer than mine. Maybe if I hold it, that, oh, there you go.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
No. Well, go on, what's your intro?
Hi guys, I think it's time to put up our Christmas tree. Our kids have been dying